In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create your first automation in SalesCaptain in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Let's get started. Click on Captain Labs in the left sidebar, then select Automations to open up the Automations page. Click plus Create Automation and name it Incoming Message Automation. Then select SalesCaptain Triggers and choose Contact First Message as your initial trigger. Now, drag and drop a Send SMS action onto the canvas and type in your welcome message. Hi, a contact name. Thanks for reaching out. What can I help you with today? Then hit Save. Next, drag and drop an Assign To element and select the team member you'd like to handle these incoming conversations. Drag and drop an Add Tags element, click to edit it, and add the tag New Lead so you can easily identify these contacts later. Finally, drag and drop a Change Stage element, click to edit, and set the stage to Lead to move the contact into your pipeline. Now let's zoom out and take a look at the full automation flow. Whenever a contact messages you for the first time, they'll automatically receive a welcome SMS, get assigned to a team member, tagged as a new lead, and moved to the lead stage. All that's left is to click Launch Automation and head back to the Automations page. And there it is. Your first automation is live and ready to go. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.